welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to sow some marigold. This is a different species that I had last time. So I'm going to show you how I sow these. You can do that from March till June. And I'm going to use a bigger pot for these. I think it's about 15 centimeters. And I'm using regular potting soil with a little bit of feeding in it. These are the seeds. As you can see, they look very weird. And these are the seeds. Just spread them out all over the soil. Just spread them out as even as possible in the rest of the bag. Now I'm going to make another layer on top of the seeds. It's about a half a centimeter. Just a thin layer. And then water it, of course. And keep in mind, in the upcoming days, you need to water it very thoroughly. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.